Hello friends, is your car struggling to start, stalling, or misfiring? If so, you might be dealing with error code P0345. This code points to a problem with the camshaft position sensor, bank 2, circuit A. A failing camshaft sensor can severely affect engine performance, leading to rough idling, loss of power, and even a no-start condition. In this video we'll explain what P0345 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's begin. What is P0345? P0345 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor A Circuit Malfunction, Bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, tracks the rotation of the camshaft and sends this data to the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. The PCM then adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing to ensure smooth engine operation. If the CMP sensor fails, the PCM won't get accurate camshaft data, causing engine misfires, hesitation, and even stalling. Common symptoms of P0345 include check engine light on, hard starting or no start condition, engine misfires and rough idling, sudden stalling while driving, loss of power and poor acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency. Ignoring this issue can lead to more serious engine problems, so diagnosing and fixing it early is crucial. The camshaft position sensor, or CMP for bank 2, is typically located near the cylinder head on bank 2. If your engine is a V6, V8, or V12, bank 2 is the side opposite to cylinder 1. Some engines place the CMP sensor on the valve cover or timing chain cover near the camshaft sprocket. In certain models, the sensor might be behind the timing chain or belt cover. You may need to remove the timing cover to access it. Also, don't forget to check the wiring harness and connectors. Loose, corroded, or broken wires can also trigger the P0345 error code. The common causes of error code P0345 include a faulty camshaft position sensor. A damaged or failing sensor may send incorrect signals. Wiring issues can also be a culprit. Loose, frayed, or corroded wires can disrupt the signal. Alright, let's dive into some additional causes for the P0345 error code. First up, a bad crankshaft position sensor. Since the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors work together, a faulty crank sensor can cause similar issues. Next, a weak battery or alternator. Low voltage supply can lead to sensor malfunctions. And lastly, in rare cases, a faulty powertrain control module, or PCM, may be the root cause. So how do you fix the P0345 error code? Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for related codes like P0340, P0346, or P0347. Step 2. Locate the camshaft position sensor on bank 2 and inspect it for damage or oil contamination. And Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for corrosion, loose pins, or broken wires. Step 4. Test your battery and alternator to ensure proper voltage supply. Step 5. Inspect the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, as it may also be causing issues. Step 6. If the CMP sensor is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 7. Clear the codes using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to confirm the fix. A faulty camshaft position sensor, or CMP, in bank 2 can cause engine misfires, poor acceleration, and even stalling. Fixing P0345 will help restore proper ignition timing and smooth engine performance. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0338, Crankshaft Position Sensor Circuit High Input, and P0339, Crankshaft Position Sensor Intermittent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.